longitude and latitude. Etude, okay, is to go to school, right? The child, the orphan child, the 5775, the male, the female, the energy of the sun and the moon, the matter, the antimatter. The antimatter, I'll get up in the AM 91, 1 through 13. There are 4 suits with 13 cards, 10, Jack, Queen, King, right? Although this is 10, 11, 12 equaling to 36, it's 10 and 17 equals to 27 and 11 equals to 38. Or you can go 17 and 11, 28, right? The Queen and the King are 28. But the D for dam, which is the Queen, right? And R for King, or you can use it in the word for third, and that would be the teachers, right? Between the dam and the roi. Think of the dam as a beaver dam. Think of it as going underneath this way and then coming out of this world. Here's a split. Whoops, I shouldn't have done that. Here's the split. So you come out through here, underneath here, and out through this side over here. So the plains of Abraham, there's a lock-in here, lock-in here in the inner circle. Right, inner circle. Then there's the outer circle here. Outer circle here. So this spins inside. This rotates with this. This rim rotates with this, rotates in here, and here's the Abraham plane that's in between the two, balancing it off. But they're imperfect flats. They're not together. They're separate. You can see them, right? They're imperfect flats, right? They run off of here. They run off of here. How do I know? Because from here to here, it's 6 plus 1 to meet up at this area over here. It's 13 by 13 and a 14 by 14 area space. And then this zodiac sign we have to get to, the butterfly lock. The 2 moons here, or the 2 moons here, equal the butterfly lock. We'll talk a little bit more later. Oh, yes. 27, like in love, right? 27, 14 and 7, 21, 27. Connecting the cube over here, the house, the cube, the IT system, the sun. So Longi, 27, 21, 48, 58, 68, 77 is power. And that's 77, the IT, that's 29, bringing in the birth. 28 days, and then the first day of the next cycle is the 29th day, day 1, right? So there's a longitude, and then latitude is, here is 13 instead of 27, right? Why not 26, right? Why to go to 27? We're going to talk about that later, bring that up. So we have 29 over here in latitude, longitude. Did I write that right? I hope I did. So we're just going to take the tude out, really, is what I should be doing. So I should have taken out that T. That would make it 57. Now we connect to the moon, and this one would connect it to the power. T is a power source by itself. 4 by 5 equals to 20. The I and the T, okay, they go together. 9 and 20. Why does this go together? Because it's 4 times 5, which equals to 20. But the E is what the value of 5 is, and we cross through the heart, the E section, to create our star system. Thank you for watching this video. 888 2 dice, 888 888 1776, more to come.